Hello, my name is Abhinav and this has been my 1 month in the stock market thing. And I didn't have any idea regarding like what exactly is option. And if I start from starting, then when I came to the first day of this option trading course, so I didn't knew about what exactly is option. Then I just had this idea from Nilesh sir that okay, this is how these things are done. So I got an idea that okay, this is something I can learn more. So similarly, I came for this being pro in option master trading session. So after 2.5 days of this trading thing, now I'm much more confident that okay, this is something we can head on towards more. So overall, 2.5 days were totally paisa vasool thing, and I was very happy after this 2 days workshop that we had a very nice idea of what are the strategies we have to incorporate and few of the technical terms which one can not know on his own. So they were taught here, and it was very well explained. So I would say after 2 days, it was very nice to be in this particular workshop. Thank you.